In other news, the man on trial for the murder of Samantha Woll was back in court today for a pretrial hearing. Michael Jackson-Bolanos was found not guilty last week of first-degree murder, but the jury was deadlocked on first-degree felony murder and home invasion. He was found guilty of lying to police. Gino Vici joins us outside the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice with whether or not Jackson-Bolanos will be retried for those deadlocked charges.
With a short answer, we don't know yet. Now, the defense found a motion to dismiss the case last night. However, the judge gave the prosecution more time to file a response. Now, the defense claims that there's no legal basis to retry Jackson-Bolanos on first-degree felony murder because he was already exonerated for first-degree and second-degree murder. Meanwhile, I spoke to Samantha Woll's family outside the courtroom. As you can imagine, they are not happy with the results of this case so far.
The defense has been working hard to make this case about race when it should be about evidence. And in this case, the evidence points very clearly to one man, and that man is Michael Jackson-Bolanos.
The sister of Samantha Woll expressing her frustration outside the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice alongside her father and other friends and family.
There is absolutely zero doubt in my family's mind that Michael Jackson-Bolanos did this to my sister, and all we ask is that justice is served.
Well, the jury did not see it that way, finding Michael Jackson-Bolanos not guilty of first-degree murder last week. But the jury was deadlocked on felony murder and home invasion and found him guilty of lying to police. However, today was a pretrial hearing at the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice to determine whether or not the prosecution would retry Jackson-Bolanos for the two deadlocked charges.
According to the case law, it shouldn't be refiled.
But the defense found a motion last night to dismiss, citing the state did not have the legal authority to charge him again.
Essentially, the elements, they found him not guilty of second-degree murder and not guilty of first-degree murder because they were able to consider the second-degree murder, right? So how are you retrying on a felony murder if he was already acquitted of a second-degree murder along with a first-degree murder?
Already answered.
Correct.
Again, Jackson-Bolanos will be back in court here August 9th. The prosecution has until then to issue a response. In downtown Detroit, Gino Vici, CBS News, Detroit.